Day 84 challenge. Okay, parents, let's check out how ESP and see-through works for kids. I'm going to place a color ball inside the box and she's going to identify what color it is. Okay, can we see? Now close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Tell me what color ball is there inside. See-through. Focus.
Red.
Okay, good. Now close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. See through. Focus. Focus on what color it is.
Blue.
It's blue. Nice. Now close your eyes. Okay, now open your eyes. See through, focus, be confident. See through and say what color you could see.
Green.
Yes, of course, green. This is how intuition and ESP works for kids of less than 7 years. When activated at the right time, the child can be an amazing kid. The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.